Are you looking for the Zelle login? Hey, if you're looking for the Zelle login, you've come to the right place. Let's take a look at how to find the Zelle login. You ready? Here we go. Have you ever gone out with friends or family? Maybe you went to a meal or went to a show, and at the end of the night you have to split the bill, but they don't have cash. What do? Well, that's where a tool like Zelle comes in very handy. You may be a little confused because even if you go to Google and you just type in the word Zelle, you're delivered to the first search result, which is Zelle. If you clicked on it, you'd be brought to a page which is zellepay.com. But when we're on this page, we don't see the Zelle login. Well, there's a reason for it. But first, let me tell you what Zelle does, and then I'll show you how to find the Zelle login.
Zelle is an easy way to send and receive money with friends and family at different banks and credit unions. With Zelle, money moves directly between bank accounts in minutes. You can access Zelle directly through your bank or credit union. If your bank offers Zelle, go to their website or mobile app and enroll your email or US mobile number. You can send money with Zelle from your banking app.
So let's get this straight. In order to find the Zelle login, you really need to know the login for your banking app or website. So whether you use Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, TD Bank, you're going to want to find the login for that specific website or app, and then you're going to be able to access Zelle. Okay, I know you were looking for the Zelle login, and maybe this isn't as helpful as you thought it would be, but if you go to zellepay.com or search for Zelle on Google and click on the first result, you'll see this button right here, See if your bank offers Zelle. Click on that. It'll bring you to a page where you can search for your bank. So you can either browse by letter or number, or you can type in the search bar and find if your bank offers Zelle. So I type in TD Bank, it's searching, and there you go. Now it will bring me right to the website where I can log into my TD Bank account and I can set up Zelle. Hey, I know you were looking for the Zelle login, and hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, click on like. Make sure you share with friends and family who may also be looking for the Zelle login, and also subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty of tips and tricks that are going to help you build a bigger, better biz. Until next time, I'm Brian with Bigger, Better Biz, and here's to your success.